Every year, millions of tons of wood waste are generated globally. But have you ever wondered how this discarded timber is transformed behind the scenes? Let's take a journey into a state-of-the-art wood recycling facility to uncover the meticulous process of giving new life to wood waste. The process begins with the collection of various wood waste sources, construction debris, old furniture, pallets, and fallen trees. Upon arrival at the facility, these materials undergo a rigorous sorting phase. Advanced technologies, including lasers, infrared scanners, and X-rays, are employed to detect and separate contaminants like nails, plastics, and treated wood, ensuring only clean, recyclable timber moves forward. Next, the purified wood is fed into industrial shredders, reducing it to uniform chips or particles. These wood fragments are then categorized based on size and quality, tailored for their subsequent applications. The versatile wood chips embark on various paths. Panel board production. High-quality chips are compressed and bonded to create particle boards and fiber boards, essential in furniture, manufacturing, and construction. Energy generation. Some chips serve as biomass fuel, providing a renewable energy source that reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Landscaping mulch. Colored and processed chips become decorative mulch, enhancing gardens and suppressing weed growth. Through this intricate recycling process, wood waste is diverted from landfills, conserving natural resources and mitigating environmental impact. These facilities exemplify how innovation and sustainability can harmoniously transform waste into valuable resources, contributing to a greener planet.